recording this session for everyone else who would like to watch this later on. Okay, everybody. So welcome to meditation, and today we are going to talk about changing the beliefs. So hello, everybody. I'm Kalyani Kamble, and I am a visioneering coach, and I help business owners to set, track, and achieve their goals with proven visioneering system that puts success on autopilot. Today, what I'm going to teach you is a very powerful visioneering process that can help you to get what you want in life, to program powerful beliefs. Are you excited? I want you to be with me throughout the session. Be attentive, keep your pens and paper ready. Now, I have some good news. I am so happy that finally my book, 31 Days to the Best Version of You, has released on my birthday. That's 28th of May. And with your permission, I would like to share with you a very small, just a 30 seconds video about what my book is about. So can I have that permission from you? Okay. So just a small,
sure.
Thank you so much. Such a small video I would like you to watch before we get started with today's session. Okay, this is not the video, just a moment. Everybody, this is a very short 30 seconds video that I'd like you all to watch. All right, everybody. So that's my book, and I request you all to please grab a copy for yourself, and especially for Ravina and Prashant. You're going to get the book complimentary. Please share your address with me. I have not forgotten the promise I made to you, my dear friend. I remember in one of the sessions, I had promised you that I will be sharing this book with you. So the book is here, and please share your address with me, and I'd love to courier and beautiful copy to you. Okay, everybody. So let's get started with today's session. Today's session is for helping you change your beliefs. Okay. So keep in mind some belief that is stopping you, some negative thought that you keep on thinking again and again. Okay. And let us first discuss about how do beliefs work. Okay. I'm going to very quickly explain this to you. Read this powerful quote by Henry Ford. I'm sure everybody knows who Henry Ford is, okay? Read it out loud. Stay on mute throughout the meeting, but read this out loud to yourself. Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you are right. That's exactly how your belief works. आप जो सोचते हैं, वैसे ही होता है. अगर आपको लगता है कि आप कोई चीज अचीव नहीं कर सकते हो, तो बिल्कुल वैसे ही होता है. और अगर आपको लगता है कि हाँ ये मेरे लिए पॉसिबल है, ये मैं कर सकता हूँ, तो बिल्कुल वैसे ही होता है. Okay, so that's how your beliefs work. Okay, now in a lot of my programs, I have shared this picture. It's my favorite way of how I can explain the beliefs. Okay, now look at this elephant. It is one of the most powerful and a mighty animal. Okay, but it is still tied to that rope. Why do you think this elephant does not free itself? Okay. And the reason is because for this adult elephant, this is normal. This is normal. Are you getting it? The elephant has accepted it as its way of life. Okay. It got programmed in its childhood. So in its childhood, the baby elephant was tied to a rope and it tried to break free several times and it couldn't. And it grew to be an older, a very strong adult elephant, and it accepted that silly, tiny rope, binding it to be its reality, to be normal. Are you getting it, my dear friend? Now that rope, if you can see my cursor, that rope is the limiting belief. It is that limiting belief which is keeping you chained. It is keeping you stuck. It is keeping you at one place. Are you getting it? And you are this mighty elephant. You are this huge, mighty elephant. You are strong, you're magnificent, and you can do wonders with the strength you have. But you see this tiny little rope. It is so tiny, it is so small, it's so weak. Yet it is keeping that elephant bound. It is keeping that elephant chained. That is how limiting beliefs work for you. That is how limiting beliefs work for you. Did you get that, my dear friend? Okay. Now, each one of us can relate to this elephant in some aspect of our life. In some aspect of your life where you are not getting the desired results that you want. You are not getting the success that you want. Whether it's in your health, wealth, relationships, business, career, whichever aspect of your life. Some belief is keeping you chained. As a homework, I want you to identify what that belief is. Now, when I shared about this session a few days ago, I had told you all to do this homework. So if the ones who've done their homework and who've identified what that belief is, will be able to work with more clarity today. Even if you haven't, make sure you do this tonight. Make sure you do this tonight. Because awareness is the first step to change. Awareness changes everything. All right. Okay, so I hope that explained belief to you in a very simple way. Put a yes in the chat box if that has really enlightened you in a simple way. That limiting belief is literally like how that elephant keeps you chained. Okay, thank you so much. All right, now here's what I want you to do. Okay, I want you to take a pen and paper. I want you to take a pen and paper. And I want you to do this because kya hai na, face-to-face session mein, I would have made you do this. Now I can't see what you're doing, but I trust, my dear friend, that you're doing it. Okay. So I'm going to show it to you what you got to do. Okay. All right. Here's what you got to do. Take a pen and paper. And I want you to write this. Okay. I want you to write this. I want you to write the word believe. Okay. Sab likho. I want you to write down the word belief. Believe. Okay. And now next to that, I want you to write down the word equal to. Now there's another 6-letter word. 6-letter word है. B, E से ही start होता है. B मतलब English में क्या? हिंदी में उसका मतलब क्या होता है? B मतलब होना. आपका अस्तित्व, आपका being. आप कौन हो? It's being, okay? Believe and be और एक शब्द लिखो behave. और एक शब्द लिखिए behave. So believe is equal to behave. Behave मतलब क्या? आपका बर्ताव, आपका बिहेवियर, आप जो एक्शंस आपके लाइफ में लेते हो. ठीक है, देखा 6-लेटर वर्ड है. अभी मैं और बताती हूँ आपको. Believe. ओके, इसको अगर सेपरेट करें, Believe. सबको दिख रहा है पावर पॉइंट? ओके, Believe और क्या है? Behave. ओके, अभी इसको मैं डीकंस्ट्रक्ट करती हूँ. इसको ध्यान से देखो. ये दिस इज रियली वेरी सिंपल बट वेरी पावरफुल. बी मतलब क्या? होना. मतलब क्या? आप हो, आपकी पर्सनैलिटी है, आपका अस्तित्व है. बीइंग. ओके, यू आर दैट पर्सन. बी लिव. लिव मतलब क्या? जीना. योर लाइफ. यू आर लिविंग योर बिलीफ. आर यू गेटिंग इट? सो राइट नाउ, whatever beliefs you're holding, positive ones, negative ones, that's how you are living your life. That's how you are becoming. Are you getting it, my dear friend? That's how you are becoming. बिलीफ आपका बी लिव हो जाता है। लिव मतलब क्या? जीना, आपके जीने का तरीका हो जाता है, आपकी जिंदगी वैसे जो बिलीव। अभी ये देखो, इक्वल्स टू बी हैव। प्लीज गो ऑन म्यूट एवरीबॉडी, प्लीज म्यूट पे जाइए। बी हैव, ओके। बिहेव, बिहेव का मैंने डीकंस्ट्रक्ट किया है। बी हैव मतलब क्या? होना, तुम्हारे पास होना, विच इज व्हाट? अचीवमेंट ऑफ योर गोल्स। तुम्हारे पास क्या होना है? तुम्हारे रिलेशन, अच्छे रिलेशन, आपको ढेर सारा पैसा चाहिए, ढेर सारा सक्सेस चाहिए, बहुत सारे सेल्स चाहिए, आपको जिंदगी में खुशियां चाहिए, पीस चाहिए, हैप्पीनेस चाहिए, आपको ट्रैवल करना है, ये सब होना है, करेक्ट? तो वो क्या है? बी हेव। बिहेव मतलब बी हैव मतलब क्या? होना। बट ये होना कैसे होता है? बी लिव करने से होता है, बी लिव करने से होता है। ओके, सो डिड यू ऑल गेट दिस? हाउ बी लिव, ठीक है, इक्वल्स टू बिहेव। हाँ, बच्चों के जैसे कभी कभी समझाना पड़ता है, बट इफ यू सी वर्ड्स में कितनी पावर है, कितनी डेप्थ है। हम ये वर्ड्स ऐसे ही यूज करते हैं, लेकिन बिलीव इज इक्वल टू बिहेव। बिहेव मतलब क्या? हमारा बिहेवियर, हमारा आचरण। बिहेव का अनदर वर्ड क्या होता है? एक्शंस। अनदर वर्ड क्या होता है? एक्शंस। और गोल्स अचीव करने के लिए, फॉर यू टू अचीव योर गोल्स इन लाइफ, व्हाट आर यू सपोज टू डू माय डियर फ्रेंड्स? यू आर सपोज टू टेक एक्शंस, करेक्ट? And your actions come from your believe. Believe, okay? Believe. The way you live, believe. It comes from your belief and behave. You can do this action. You will remember this forever. Like, do this on your heart. Believe what I believe about myself. Believe. And then behave. Behave. Okay, so if I believe, I behave. And I also have. I get what I want in my life. I achieve the goals that I want in my life. So that's how believe and behave is related to each other. Both are 6-letter words, very powerful and very closely connected to each other. Okay, so that's how I want you to remember this forever. So you see, believe equals to behave. Believe क्या होता है? It is internal. आपके अंदर होता है. Okay, it is internal. आपके thoughts में होता है, emotions में होता है, correct? और behave क्या है? Arrow बाहर दिखाया है. It is outside. It is your बर्ताव. It is the actions you take in your life. Believe, behave. Believe and be have. मेरे पास है. If I live, I will have it. Okay. So being, that's how it is connected. Okay. Now this is how the success cycle works. Okay. And ये क्या है? एक cycle है. आपको जितना खुद पे भरोसा है, उतना आप अपना पोटेंशियल पे भरोसा रखोगे। जितना पोटेंशियल है, उतनी एक्शंस लोगे। एक्शंस क्या है? बिहेवियर। और जैसे एक्शंस लोगे, वैसे ही आपको लाइफ में रिजल्ट्स मिलेंगे। और जो आपको लाइफ में रिजल्ट्स मिलते हैं, उससे आपकी बिलीफ भी स्ट्रांग होती है। अभी अगर बिलीफ पॉजिटिव है, तो आप पॉजिटिव एक्शन लोगे, आपको खुद पे भरोसा होगा, आपकी क्षमता पे, पोटेंशियल पे भरोसा होगा, आप उतनी एक्शन लोगे और आपको उतने रिजल्ट्स मिलेंगे। ठीक है? अभी नेगेटिव भी ऐसे ही काम करता है। अगर नेगेटिव बिलीफ है, आत्मविश्वास कम है, इफ यू हैव सेल्फ डाउट, इफ यू हैव फियर्स, तो क्या है? आपका खुद पे से भरोसा कम होगा, आपकी क्षमता पे भरोसा कम होगा, और फिर आप ऐसे ही कुछ ढीली ढाली एक्शंस लोगे, और वैसे ही आपको लाइफ में रिजल्ट्स मिलेंगे। और जैसे आपको रिजल्ट्स मिलेंगे, आप क्या सोचोगे? देखा, मैंने बोला था ना, मेरे साथ हमेशा ऐसे ही होता है, मेरे को कभी सक्सेस मिलती ही नहीं है, मैं जो भी करने जाऊं मेरे साथ नेगेटिव ही होता है। और फिर वो नेगेटिव बिलीफ आपकी स्ट्रांग होती जाती है। ओके, तो बिलीफ कैसे? पॉजिटिव है तो और पॉजिटिव बनती है, और नेगेटिव है तो और नेगेटिव बनती जाती है। ओके, I request you all again to be on mute. Okay, so I think Kavita has joined the session. Just a moment, Kavita, I'm going to make you the co-host. And just making me the co-host. Just make sure everyone is on mute, okay? I think it's Vinaya Dalvi who is on unmute. I have put her on mute, okay? All right. Okay, Kavita, so you can unmute every time they're on mute, okay? Now here's one quick activity I want you to do before I tell you the powerful seven-step process and before we do the meditation, okay? I want you to write this down. I'm going to give you 2 minutes. I'm going to give you 2 minutes. Write down your goal. अगर आपने मेरे पहले सेशंस अटेंड किए हैं, most of the people who have joined this class are the ones who attended my sessions earlier. गोल हमेशा स्मार्ट होना चाहिए, स्पेसिफिक, मेजरेबल, अटेनेबल, रेलेवेंट और टाइम बाउंड। अगर ये पता नहीं है कोई बात नहीं, आपकी जो भी इच्छा है, आपका ड्रीम है, आपका गोल है, ये यहाँ पे लिखो। चलो एवरीवन राइट योर गोल, राइट योर गोल। आपका गोल वेट लॉस करने का हो सकता है, आपका गोल ज्यादा सेल्स पाने का हो सकता है, तो सेल्स का एक नंबर लिखो कि मुझे इतने क्लाइंट्स क्लोज करने हैं, इतनी सेल्स चाहिए मुझे, जो भी आपका गोल है। अगर आप पढ़ाई कर रहे हो, करियर में हो, तो आपको एग्जाम में क्या स्कोर चाहिए, जो भी आपका गोल है। अगर आपको सिर्फ आपका आत्मविश्वास बढ़ाना है, तो आत्मविश्वास कितना बढ़ाना है, इतना बढ़ाना है कि मैं एक प्रेजेंटेशन कर सकूं, एक जूम सेशन ले सकूं, या मेरी पब्लिक स्पीकिंग अच्छी हो, तो आपका गोल यहाँ पे लिखो। आपका गोल शायद कम गुस्सा करने का हो सकता है। ओके, तो आपका गोल लिखिए फटाफट, और लिखिए what do I need to believe to achieve this goal? ये बहुत जरूरी है। What do I need to believe to achieve this goal? For example, अगर वेट लॉस का गोल है, तो मुझे क्या खाना चाहिए कि मैं पतला हो जाऊं, मुझे कितना वॉक करना चाहिए, कितनी एक्सरसाइज करनी चाहिए कि मैं पतला हो जाऊं। ओके, तो ऐसा क्या है जो आपको एक्शन में करना चाहिए, जिसके वजह से आप ये गोल अचीव करो। लेकिन एक्शन तभी ले पाओगे जब आप बिलीव करोगे। ओके, तो हम रूट कॉज पे जा रहे हैं, डियर फ्रेंड्स, वी आर गोइंग टू द रूट कॉज। व्हाट डू यू नीड टू बिलीव टू अचीव दिस गोल? राइट दिस डाउन। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, कोई लोगों का बिलीव होता है, अरे मेरा तो वजन ना कमी नहीं होता है, मैं कुछ भी करूँ ना मेरा वजन कमी नहीं होता है। ये बार बार बोलते रहते हैं, बोलते रहते हैं, तो ये आपका बिलीफ है। अगर आपका बिलीफ ऐसा है, तो आपका वजन कैसे कम होगा? ओके, some people have a belief, I'm not a good salesperson. You know, you give me some back end work, give me some accounting work, I'm very good at that, but I'm not good at sales. This is also a belief, my dear friend, because I can prove it to you that each and every one of us is good at sales. हमारा बेसिक काम होता है सेल करना। Either we are selling a product, service, or an idea. Right now I'm selling you an idea. Okay, I hope you all got that. So write down, what do I need to believe to achieve this goal? So for example, if your goal is, I want to be excellent in public speaking and speak in front of, let's say, 100 people on XYZ particular date in this particular seminar. Just giving you an example. If it is a sales goal, then I need to believe that I am an excellent salesperson. It is easy for me to close sales. I am a confident salesperson. I can do sales easily and naturally. I can speak confidently and crack difficult negotiations. Whatever it is, write down the belief, write down just 2 or 3. Okay. And once you're done, put a yes in the chat box so that we can proceed to the 7-step process. The ones who are watching this video later on in the YouTube, I will be sharing this YouTube on the this video on the YouTube. I record sessions and I share them on the YouTube. So those of you who will watch this later on can pause the session and then write this down. Okay, so once you're done writing, please put a yes, I have finished writing my goal and I know what I want to believe to achieve this. Okay. Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's proceed. Fine. Most of you have written and most of you know what your belief should be. Look, you know, your belief is literally like the fuel in a car. A car which is not maintained well, and if it has very little fuel, it is not going to go far. Are you getting it? Okay. Your belief is like a mobile battery. If it gets drained out and it's not fully charged, it's going to affect its functioning. Okay. So that's literally how belief works inside you, like a fuel, like a battery. Keep you on your toes, to keep you excited, to keep you unstoppable to achieve your goals. Okay, great. I hope you've gotten value so far and gotten insights. Let's go to, I'm going to share with you a very powerful 7-step process. But before that, I want to share with you 4 techniques to program powerful beliefs. And all of these techniques and more, like more than, I think 70 techniques are shared in this book, 31 Days to the Best Version of You. So you can buy this book on Amazon. Number 1, daily journaling. Basically, journaling, it means writing a diary. Okay. So you can take a beautiful notebook or buy a beautiful diary. See, buy a good looking diary. Okay. It makes a lot of difference. Buy a diary with colorful pages and write down with sketch pens, colored pens. Write down what you want to believe. How much time is it going to take you, my dear friend? Only 2 minutes. Do you love yourself enough to give yourself 2 minutes to do daily journaling? Okay. So write down what you want to believe. You may feel it is not true. You may feel, oh, this doesn't feel like it's all right, but still do it. Do it because I'm telling you. Okay, just do it. The number 2 is daily 3-hour affirmations. So basically 3-hour affirmations are affirmations which focus on rewire, reconnect, and reinvent. That's the word I have used for my affirmations in the book 31 Days to the Best Version of You, but you can take any affirmations. If you follow Louise Hay, you can take her affirmations as well. So absolutely any affirmation. An affirmation is a short positive sentence. On my YouTube channel, I have posted many affirmation videos. So you can watch that also. There is one video in Hindi also. Number 3, okay, now this is very, very important. Be with people who have accomplished what you want to. With me, everybody, this is very powerful, okay? Be with people who have accomplished what you want to. Let's say if it is starting a business, okay? Be with people who have already accomplished jo aapko karna hai. Are you getting it? Because many a times what happens is, jab negative belief hoti hai na hamari, like this morning, I was doing a consultation and my client is like 50 plus age. And her belief is, Arey, I have become so old. Ye age mein main kya karu? That is her belief. I gave her examples of people world over who started very late and who got success very late. One example that comes on top of my mind is Louise Hay herself, you know, someone I admire, the greatest person who have written some amazing books and affirmations. Okay. And she's the one who comes to my mind. She started her career quite late and achieved success at the age of 60, 70. She became the best-selling author. I think she's the greatest coach the world has had. Colonel Sanders of KFC, did multiple things till finally KFC happened and he got the success he wanted. It was quite late in his life. Similarly, there are many examples. So immediately I helped her change the belief कि देखो आप younger लोगों को देख रहे हो, वहां पे मत देखो. ऐसे लोगों के साथ आप रिश्ता जोड़ो या ऐसे लोगों का इंस्पिरेशन रखो जिन्होंने वो अचीव किया है जो आप अचीव करना चाहते हो. Are you getting it? So you are giving your mind evidence. You are showing that this is possible. If others have done it, I can do it. Are you getting that? If you don't have a real person in your life, go to YouTube. It's filled with inspirational stories. Simply type down successful people who became successful after the age of 50. Just type that down. Tuck. So many videos came. I gave her a homework. I said, today you have to watch these 4 videos and you have to just, for the next 7 days, you have to just give your mind the evidence that this is possible, this is possible, this is possible. Good or great? Did you like this technique? Okay. Generally what we do, न्यूज भी देखते हैं तो सारा नेगेटिव देखते हैं. कोविड से कितने लोग मर रहे हैं यही न्यूज आती है. सो मेरे और एक क्लाइंट है जो कोविड से अफेक्टेड थे. मैंने बोला आप खबरदार न्यूज नहीं देखोगी. लकीली एसिम्प्टोमेटिक थे, घर पे थे लेकिन डरे हुए थे. देखो कोविड इतना नहीं मारेगा जितना डर मार सकता है आप. मैंने बोला खबरदार अगर कोई न्यूज देखी और आप सिर्फ अच्छी चीजों पे आपका माइंड को फोकस करोगी. बहुत लोग रिकवर कर रहे हैं कोविड से. रिकवरी रेट काफी हाई है. Okay, so it all depends on where you are focusing. Arya says, I will not watch news. Yes, even I don't watch news at all. I just have an app, the Times of India app, and I just get the latest news and that's it. Like 10 minutes in the morning is what I spend on getting some latest news. And then I don't watch news at all, especially television. It's very dramatic. Okay, so I hope these techniques, you found these techniques useful. Very simple techniques. None of the techniques will take more than 2 to 3 minutes of your time. And number 4 is success installation. जैसे हम install करते हैं कोई software, कोई hardware, ऐसे हम अभी installation करेंगे positive beliefs का. And here is the 7-step powerful process. Okay. Are you excited to learn? All right. Put a yes in the chat box. Now, first step. Okay. And do this with me. I want you to do this with me so you can close your eyes if you want to. Think of the negative belief. अभी बिलीफ शायद एग्जैक्टली माइंड में ना आए, लेकिन ऐसा कोई नेगेटिव इंसिडेंट लाइफ में जो बार बार होते रहता है, या आप बार बार गुस्सा करते हो, या आपको सक्सेस नहीं मिल रहा है, या आप में आत्मविश्वास की कमी है, तो वो एक जो बिलीफ है वो बस आंखों के सामने आप लेके आइए. एवरीबॉडी क्लोज योर आईज एंड डू दिस. इट कुड बी अ पास्ट मेमोरी. ऐसा कोई इंसिडेंट हो सकता है आपके लाइफ में जिसमें किसी ने आपको धोखा दिया हो. तो शायद आपका बिलीफ बन गया है कि दुनिया में किसी पे भी भरोसा नहीं कर सकते. ये कई बार होता है, मैंने बहुत बार देखा है. आई हैव कंसल्टेड आई more than 500 people in 16 years of my life, consulted, conducted trainings for more than 50,000 people, and I always love to interact with the participants. And I have noticed कि अगर लाइफ में कोई बुरी बात हो जाती है, some bad experience, तो उससे बिलीफ मिलता ही मिलता है, नेगेटिव या पॉजिटिव. तो अगर बिलीफ याद नहीं आ रहा, तो ऐसा कोई इंसिडेंट याद करो which affected you emotionally very much. Okay, so think of the negative belief. All right, now here's what I want you to do. Okay, imagine you have a remote control in your hand. Imagine you have a remote control in your hand, and what I want you to do is fade this memory in your mind. Okay, ये मेमोरी को आपको धुंधला करना है, फीका करना है, और पूरी तरह से फिर मिटा देना है. So slowly start fading this memory. See, the remote has the contrast button. If you do plus contrast, it becomes completely dark. If you do minus contrast, become completely white. So whatever you like, you can either make your memory completely black or completely white, whichever way it works for you. Do it right now. And the ones watching this on YouTube can take your own time. So I request all of you, even in this session, later on watch this session on YouTube and take some time to do this. Right now, we may not be able to give so much time because I want to focus more on how to install the positive belief. Okay, but this is a very simple and a very powerful way. And just fade it in your mind. Do that right now. Just fade it. Just reduce the color. Just reduce the brightness. If it is a bright picture, just make it into a black and white picture and slowly make it dim. उसको धुंधला करते जाइए, उसको फीका करते जाइए, और फिर उसको मिटा दीजिए. Just make it dim. Okay? Now, I want you to do this at least 10 times in your mind. And I want you to do it fast. Start now. I want you to do this fast. Fade it in your mind. Fade it in your mind and make it completely white or completely black. Just fade it out, like empty the screen. Just empty the screen of your mind. Do this 10 times. Start now and do it really fast. Come on. This is a very powerful process. You can even say words like delete or gone. Any word that gives you the feeling that it is gone, it is wiped out. So just wipe this memory out, fade it, and do it really fast. All right. Now, this is a very simple and beautiful process. Now, generally in my personal coaching, I really go to the depth of it. If the memory or the belief is very intense and traumatic, then I literally work with my clients for an hour. Okay? This is a beautiful process. It just takes minutes, and you can do this every day before you go to sleep. Every day before you go to sleep, just fade away whatever memories for the day which you didn't like. Or which affected you very badly. Just sleep with a positive, sleep with a grateful mind, and delete all the negative. Okay? Now what I want you to do is, okay, now you have a full empty mind. Everybody with an empty mind, everybody with an empty slate. Okay? All right. Now here's what you want you to do. Ask yourself the question, If not like this, how would I like to be? What is my empowering belief? What is my empowering belief? So जो पहले लिखा था, ये goal achieve करने के लिए I need this belief. So what you have written, for this particular goal, I need to believe this. So think of the empowering belief. Like for example, I am confident, I am fearless, I am a money magnet, I am a success magnet, I attract positive relationships, I am a confident person, I am a positive thinker. जो भी belief है, just think about that belief. And now create a clear picture in front of your eyes. Create a clear picture in front of your eyes. Close your eyes and do this with me. And then after some time, I'll play some music and then we can go into a visualization process where we will focus on this belief. Now, create a clear picture. What do I mean by a clear picture? Make it sensory specific. Sensory specific मतलब हमारे 5 senses होते हैं. यहाँ पे देखिए, V for visual, what you see. तो आप क्या देख रहे हैं आपके belief में, clear picture में. Auditory, आप क्या सुन रहे हैं, auditory, what you're hearing. लोगों की तालियां सुन रहे हैं या people are आपकी तारीफ कर रहे हैं, people are appreciating you. What do you hear? K is kinesthetic, is touch. O is olfactory, which is smell. And G is gustatory, what do you taste? ठीक है? So, क्योंकि अगर हम sensory specific करेंगे तो ये हमको real लगेगा. This will feel like as if it is real. Okay? So see it clearly, hear it clearly, feel it clearly, smell if there is a smell, if it's a garden, if there is a smell, and if there is a taste. So make it very sensory specific, make it very clear. The moment you make it sensory specific, it will start feeling like it's real. Now pay attention to how it feels in your body. For some time, just be open, trust me, hold my hand. I believe in you, that you are capable of achieving all the goals in your life and you have incredible potential inside you. I want you to feel how this feels in your body. इसे महसूस कीजिए. How are you feeling in your body? क्या फीलिंग है ये? सुकून की फीलिंग है, अचीवमेंट की फीलिंग है, हैप्पीनेस की फीलिंग है, सक्सेस की फीलिंग है, कॉन्फिडेंस की फीलिंग है. कैसा महसूस हो रहा है आपको? इस पे ध्यान दीजिए, ये बहुत जरूरी है. हमारे इमोशंस हमारे सबसे बड़े मोटिवेटर्स होते हैं. इमोशंस ड्राइव एक्शंस. इमोशंस ड्राइव एक्शंस. तो बहुत ध्यान दीजिए हाउ यू आर फीलिंग. एंड हाउ विल योर लाइफ चेंज. अगर ये सच हो जाता है तो आपकी लाइफ में क्या चेंजेस आएंगे? रिजल्ट्स पे ध्यान देना है. अगर वेट लॉस का गोल है तो आप कैसे दिख रहे हो, सब आपकी तारीफ कर रहे हैं, आपको सारे क्लोथ्स फिट आ रहे हैं. How fit are you feeling? Your energy has increased. You are very energetic at your work. If it's a goal, if it's a financial goal you want to achieve, how are you feeling? You're feeling accomplished. You're feeling powerful. You can buy what you want. You can sleep peacefully. Whatever it is, whatever changes you want in your life. If it is increasing your confidence, and if you can confidently communicate and do sales, how wonderfully will it change your life? So just imagine the results in your life. Okay? All right, everybody? Okay, so you can take a screenshot of this if you want, or else I, as it is, upload the session exactly the way it is on YouTube. So you can go to my channel. Please do subscribe to my channel and you can have a lifetime reference of this particular process. Okay? Right? All right, everybody. So now let's do this together. Everybody ready? For the next 10 minutes, we are going to do this just for 10 minutes. For the next 10 minutes, just sit straight, close your eyes. instruct anyone at home not to disturb you. And I want your full attention over here, okay? Because I'm going to play some very beautiful music. And it's not just some random music I pick up, okay? Just because it sounds good. That music is proven to have a certain effect on your visualization. It secretes more oxytocin in your body, okay? So it really makes you feel very, very good, okay? So it's a music that I have tested. So I'm going to play some beautiful music. And I want you all to be with me and do this success installation, do this visioneering process. Are we ready? Okay. Now, in this visioneering meditation, don't focus on the negative belief, just focus on what you want. So focus on the empowering belief, focus on what you want. Be aware of how it feels in your body. Feel good about it, just enjoy it and see the changes that are happening in your life. See how it's making you feel. All right? Okay, are we ready? Everybody, put a yes in the chat box if you're ready. And let's begin with my favorite deep breaths. Okay, let's begin with my favorite deep breaths. So close your eyes. Inhale and longer exhale. Okay, that is my favorite breath. सांस अंदर लेनी है और जब हम सांस बाहर छोड़ेंगे तो लंबी सांस बाहर छोड़नी. Okay, so you it's a longer exhale, and with the longer exhale just visualize the negativity flowing out of your body, the negative toxins going out of your body. Okay, right? So we will take 6 deep breaths. 6 deep breaths. Come on, fully inhale. सांस अंदर लीजिए. Fully inhale. 1 2 3 4. सांस को hold कीजिए. Hold the breath and exhale. Exhale, longer exhale, and visualize all the toxins going out of your body. That's right. Do this 6 times. Do this 6 times. Come on, everybody. Inhale and longer exhales. And with every long exhale, just visualize all the toxins going out of your body. I'm going to play some lovely music by Tim Janis. And again, I'm going to link this in the description box so that you can have access to this music later on as well. Very beautiful music. Continue taking your deep breaths and bring up the picture of how your life will be when you believe that you have unlimited potential, when you believe that you are worthy, when you believe that you have the power to create the life of your dreams. Let's get started with your full attention in the present moment, connected to your breath. और आपके विजुअलाइजेशन को क्लियरली दिखिए, पूरे सेंसेस को साथ में इन्वॉल्व कीजिए, क्योंकि आपके सबकॉन्शियस माइंड को रियलिटी और इमेजिनेशन में फर्क नहीं पता है. Doesn't know the difference in reality and imagination. So visualize and enjoy this beautiful process. Okay, everyone. You can slowly open your eyes. Open your eyes, feeling empowered, feeling grateful, feeling extremely happy, peaceful, powerful, strong, worthy. That's right. That's right. Wonderful. Well done. Well done, everyone. That was brilliant. And you can do this process once a day. You don't have to do it for 10 minutes. You can even do it for 5 minutes. Doesn't matter. As long as you are focused and fully visualizing the possibilities with all your senses. Best time to do this is early mornings, just on waking up, and before you go off to sleep at night, because that's the time your brain is in the alpha brainwave state, which is a very powerful hypnotic state where your mind is open to suggestions and programming. Great. So thank you very much. If anyone would like to share their feedback for today's session, you can unmute and share. I really feel good to hear your voice. Arya says, thank you, feeling happy and relaxed. Arya, unmute and say that to me. I feel so good. And I hope you found value in today's session. So today's session was on changing the negative belief. Okay.
Yeah.
And,
yeah, today's session was wonderful, and I feel relaxed and happy from inside. So happy from inside.
thank you so much. So here's a quick recap. So beliefs work like this elephant. Okay, so you are the elephant. That tiny little rope is the belief, and you believe that this is normal. You have kept that negative belief for so long that you have accepted it to be your reality, which is not true at all. And you can break free. Okay. I showed you believe and behave. Literally write this down 20 to 30 times today. Believe is equal to behave. Believe is equal to behave. Okay. What you believe is how you will behave. What you believe is how you will behave. Say that. Say that as much as you want. Belief really is related to potential, which is Shamata in Hindi, how much potential you have for success. Based on that, the actions you take in your life, your behavior, and the results that you get in your life. Now, all of this is related, okay? And then very powerful, a golden question to ask yourself is, what is my goal? And what do I need to believe to achieve this goal? This is very, very important. No one talks of this. People only focus on goals, but they don't focus that deep down there is something I need to believe to achieve this goal. Okay? So that's very important. And then this is something you can do on a daily basis, writing of your goals and your powerful beliefs daily, saying your affirmations. They're there on my YouTube channel. Being with successful people, being with people who have already accomplished what you want to accomplish, and doing the success installation visioneering process, which is this. And you can even do just the step 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 every day. If there's something that's really traumatizing, then do step 1 and 2. And that really works. It works amazing. And yes, I will link this beautiful song. And that's it, everybody. Thank you so much for participating in today's session. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment on my YouTube channel. Please add on to my Facebook as well and Instagram too. I post inspirational videos thrice a week. Lovely to have you all. If there's something specific you want me to cover and do in the next meditation, please message me personally, and I'll be more than happy to help and contribute towards your success. Thank you, Nishreen. Prashant says, wonderful feeling, great technique to clear negative belief and installing positive belief. Thank you, Prashant. Thank you, Naresh. Thank you, Arya. Thank you, everybody. Okay. So I will end this session here now. God bless you all. Have a fantastic week. Have a fantastic, successful week. Okay.
Thank
Thank you very much,
you.
Kalyani. Thank you very much.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Bye-bye. Ghanshyam says a big thank you. Thank you so much. Srinivas also says thank you. Thank you, Srinivas. Okay. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye.